Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Weber's 70th anniversary charcoal kettle with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Well, what have we here? It's the new Weber 70th anniversary charcoal kettle. Boy, this thermometer catches your eye, eh? Reminiscent of a 1950s car hood ornament. You know, we don't care for these bimetal hood thermometers, but this one sure looks cool. There's also nylon faux wooden handles on the side and on the top. Your exhaust damper here has a special commemorative 70th anniversary emblem. Helps prevent burning your fingers when tweaking the vent. This handle shield is also meant to prevent burning your hand. Here's Weber's tuck-away lid holder. Convenient when you need to get under the hood. Inside is a plated steel cooking grate. These special edition grills come with Weber's gourmet cooking system. Remove the round center and you can replace it with optional accessories like a pizza stone or wok. Flip the hinged grate up to replenish charcoal. Both sides are hinged. And here are charcoal baskets for 2-zone setups. Burn charcoal on both sides to create a moderate indirect zone in the middle. Down at the bottom are bowl vents with fan blades to regulate air intake. Regulate air that feeds oxygen to the fire to control cooking temperature. The blades also sweep ash down into Weber's one-touch removable cup. Here's another nod to the early 50s kettles. This solid steel tray with a commemorative emblem. Ooh, look at this! White wall tires. Well, what can we say about Weber kettles that hasn't already been said? These limited edition models are very close to Weber's original premium models, with some appealing ornamental extras to celebrate their 70th anniversary. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.